Welcome back to part 2 of our 2004 Dyna Police Bike rebuild. The 95-inch big bore kit from S&S came with new cylinders, assembled heads, new pistons, and 551 Easy Start gear drive cams, all machined in the USA and ready for installation. We have also checked the crankshaft runout to assure proper assembly and use of the kit. We then reassembled the new engine and powder coated the air filter cover to match the bike and keep that sleeper look. This bike is now all set for summer. Are you? Check it out.